Hey everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. We're back with this 2012 Seat Leon. This one's a FR Plus model. It's a 2 litre TDI 170 bhp DSG. It's finished in Phantom Black, which is quite a rare colour for these. Rides on the 18-inch Iberia alloys, which are finished in gloss black. It's done 65,000 miles, it's got 4 services. And it's in really nice condition. It's got front and rear parking sensors, xenon lights, as I've just mentioned, the 18-inch alloys, your folding mirrors, your privacy glass, very straight on the bodywork, as you can see there. It's got the tick rear lights, the facelift rear lights. Your reg number there for any checks you need to do. Very tidy indeed. Being the FR Plus, it does come with DSG radio, navigation, dual climate control. All of standard. We'll show you inside. We've got the black FR interior. We'll start with the boot. Good size boot on these. You do get the split fold rear seats. We have got the parcel shelf, full set of mats, and there is a space saver spare wheel with all the toolkit under the carpet. We've got, as I mentioned, the black FR interior with the red stitch. We've got Isofix as well, rear electric windows, seats are in excellent condition. Got the 3-spoke multi-function steering wheel, auto lights and wipers. We have cruise control as well, just there. You can see the mileage is 65,039, and I'll just start the car so you can see there's no warnings, nothing untoward. So there you go, all your lights illuminate and go out as they should. We've got dual climate control with ice cold aircon, your navigation and media centre with your DAB radio. Struggle for signal in this bit where we are, but I can assure you it is all working. And this has got the all-important Bluetooth audio as well, your standard Bluetooth telephone, your navigation with your maps all working there. Down the bottom here we've got USB and auxiliary input, got your folding mirrors, your TPMS, your cup holders. It's got paddle shift as well. Auto dipping mirror. Handbooks are all in the glove box. And that is it. A very nice example indeed. Please do give us a call on 01509 267 111 if you'd like to view the car. And also give us a like and a subscribe if you would like to keep up with our latest stock. All of our cars do go on YouTube before they hit anywhere else, so you will be first notified of any new cars that we've got in. Thanks for watching.